So let's talk about something every XRP holder keeps wondering. Are we done yet? Are we finally past the crazy ups and downs, or is there still some pain waiting around the corner? I'm right there with you. I've been holding XRP for years, watching every drop, every pump, every rumor. And honestly, this moment feels different. The big question people are asking is whether we've hit the bottom yet. Last week, XRP touched $1.83. That number has been stuck in everyone's head like a bad ringtone. The real question is, do we go lower, or was that the floor? Right now, XRP is sitting around $2.19 with a big chunk of volume, but the market overall doesn't have much direction. It's like everybody's awake, but nobody wants to make the first move. And you can't really blame them. In the US, Thanksgiving's coming up. Markets get quiet around big holidays because people stop caring about charts and start caring about turkey, stuffing, and not talking politics at dinner. But let's get to the heart of it. I've spent a lot of time talking to people who are way smarter than I am when it comes to chart analysis and market cycles. People who literally spend their entire day studying historical patterns and future projections. And here's what most of them agree on. We're at or very close to the bottom. The only catch? We could still see a little shakeout over the next week or so. Nothing dramatic, just enough to scare out the weak hands. If Bitcoin dips toward 80K, maybe even into the high 70K range, XRP will probably tag along. If that happens, we could see XRP revisit $1.83 and maybe even fall to something like $1.50 or $1.60. Personally, that's where I'd be buying more. That would be a gift, not a disaster. But here's the good news. Most experts don't think a huge drop is likely anymore. We might have small dips here and there, but the worst part of this cycle seems to be behind us. We're not talking about XRP crashing to $1 or Bitcoin falling back to 50 or 60K. That scenario just isn't lining up with the data. So, are we done? Honestly, yeah, it really looks like we are. We just need to make it through this holiday haze and step into December. And December should be interesting. The Federal Reserve is expected to end QT, basically turning the money hose back on, which means more liquidity coming into the market. And there's an 80+% chance of a rate cut coming soon too. If that happens, crypto could start waking up in a big way. Now, before I wrap this up, I want to show you something I'm really excited about. Take a look at this tool right here. It's a brand new feature we built called the X1 DCA Accumulator. If you've ever tried to figure out the best times to buy crypto without going crazy staring at charts all day, this thing is basically a cheat code. It takes a ton of data and instantly shows you whether a coin is cheap, fairly priced, or sitting in full-blown euphoria. For example, right now, Bitcoin is sitting in the extreme discount zone. That means historically, it has been a really strong time to buy. XRP is showing the same thing. It's still in accumulation territory. In other words, still a good time to add to your back. Here's the cool part. This DCA accumulator is only available in the Black Friday lifetime plan. Not on the monthly plans, not on the quarterly plan, only lifetime. The price is $997 right now, and it jumps up soon. As a lifetime member, you never pay again. Not for updates, not for new indicators, not for anything. We're always building new tools, and whenever we drop something new, you get it for free automatically. So if you've been thinking about leveling up your trading, this is literally the best deal we've ever offered. The link's below. Grab it if it makes sense for you. All right, that's it for me. I just wanted to give you a real look at where XRP stands and what the road ahead might look like. Appreciate you spending time with me. Enjoy the holidays, keep your head clear, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.